Hi guys, I'm back with another video. I got a package from Mizpol, and why is that? That's because I sent them a DVD that I made, a movie I made, and of course you know, because I talk about it in every movie, so sorry for the shameless plug again. I sent it together with my first two Prague movies, and yeah, he sent me something back in return for, and I'm really grateful for that. So let's open the package and turn it around because my address is on it. And here's all, as you can see that. Let me check. You can read it. Wow, I got great packaging unboxing skills. Probably going to fast forward it now. That was the bomb. So, oh my god, this looks awesome. Oh my god, it's fucking awesome. Monty Python the movies. It's a box with all the 4 movies. Oh man, this is a fucking cool edition. This is part of my French. With Monty Python and now something completely different. The Holy Grail, Life of Brian and Meaning of Life in one box. That's awesome. Oh man, this, I don't know what to say. It's really really great. I see something is hidden here too. Oops. The signature collection. Ah, yummy yummy. It's chocolate with liquor in it, I think. Yes. This is awesome. This was my unboxing Mizpol. Thank you very much. I'm very happy with the Monty Python box and the famous name collection. But I'm very thankful, and yeah, see you guys in another video. And thanks to Mizpol. Goes to the channel, subscribe to him. But I think the subscribers from my channel are already subscribed to him. But anyway, I can post his link here. This was unboxingvideo and out.